Good morning. This is Anne Marie McNamara from Seattle, Washington for Tip Top Tuesday, and I'm here to discuss Tibetan bowls today. My main focus will not be on the history of the Tibetan bowls. My main focus is on the sound of the Tibetan bowls because that's what I do. I did a little research and I found out that there is a myth out there about how the bowls were being made. I have always heard that they have 7 metals, and that it's the percentage of different metals depends on where they are in terms of the stars and astronomy and the Earth-sky relationship. I just read recently that might not be true, but what is true is that they are made from tin and copper. They also are made from the same material that the Tibetan bells are made of, without the clanker. Tibetan bowls have been made in the general area for a long time. They're not only made in Tibet, actually few are made in Tibet nowadays, but they're made in Nepal. Originally they were hammered. I have a bowl here that I think will give you an example of what it looks like when they're hammered. And see, it's got kind of a hammer marks, actually, even though it looks relatively smooth. This is different than the other kind, which is more like this. I'm going to put some up here so that you can see it better. See how smooth this is? This is like using a hot mold with sand. So they put things down here, they put the sand in, they heat the metal, and they make a bowl with the mold. And then they also fine-tune it with machines. The other kind, which is handmade. You have to be careful now, because sometimes what they do is they will tell you it's an old bowl and it's not. What I do know is that the bowls are very pretty. They sound very good, and it depends on when you play the bowl or where you play the bowl that the sound can change. Let me give you an example of one of the bowls right now. This is one of my older bowls, or newer bowls, excuse me. What I want you to notice is that sound that's kind of going off in the distance. That's called the voidness. Oftentimes meditators will start with a bowl. It kind of helps ground and center someone into starting something. My oldest bowl is this one. This is the first bowl I ever got. My sister gave it to me. And when I got it, it had this really clanky noise. No, that actually sounds better. It was just a clank noise. When I went into meditation about it, what I found out was that the bowl most likely had been desecrated. In fact, I think it was used as a chamber pot. So it took a long time for that sound to shift. And so I took it outside. I put some sand in it and some dirt. Just left it there for a while to have it sort of heal itself. Put it near the moon and the sun, and just let the vibration of the Earth's vibration and the bowl vibration kind of meld and meet together. After about 6 months, it might have even been 9 months, the bowl started feeling much better. And a lot of the negative images I had seen with the bowl and what had happened to it started to dissipate. So let me just give you an example of what this bowl sounds like now. People also play the bowls with other people, and the bowls can play off each other. What I'm going to try to do is play one bowl and then set it down and see if I can get another one to go. Okay, here we go. And there you go. Take care. Have a dazzle of a day. Bye.